Hello guys, welcome to my channel. The less is more. So today we are going to discuss an editorial from the Hindu, and it is about the climate change. The topic of today is climate change, because we haven't discussed uh, since many times this topic, so I thought that let's discuss this topic. Okay, so the title of the editorial is Mercury Rising. The United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres this week reiterated the consequences of the climate catastrophe that has enveloped the globe. The Earth had passed from a warming phase into an era of global boiling, he said at the UN's headquarters in New York. His comments come even as scientific evidence converges on the conclusion that July is said to be the hottest month in the last 12,000 years. This was a disaster for the whole planet, he said, noting that sort of a mini ice age over the next few days, July 2023 will shatter records everywhere. Scientists from the World Meteorological Organization and the European Commission's Copernicus Climate Change Service described conditions this month as rather remarkable and unprecedented, with July seeing the hottest 3-week period on record. Average July temperature so far has been 16.95 degrees Celsius, 0.2 degrees Celsius warmer than in July 2019, a record in the 174-year observational data of the European Union. With ocean temperatures on the rise in the central equatorial Pacific Ocean, transitioning from La Nina conditions, where average sea surface temperatures are below normal, to El Nino conditions, the opposite, it was widely expected that temperature would be warmer than that in the last 3 years when La Nina prevailed. However, it is the distribution and impact of the 16.95 degrees Celsius, which includes temperature in northwest China touching 52 degrees Celsius, wildfires in Greece and the baking heat in the United States southwest, the extraordinarily high rains in the north and western India, while largely due to prevailing monsoon conditions, were also due to the warm air increasing atmospheric capacity to hold moisture, resulting in short torrential bursts, causing floods and devastation. While climate prognostication induced pessimism, Mr. Guterres said that it was still possible to limit global temperature rise to 1.5 degrees Celsius and avoid the very worst of climate change, but only with dramatic immediate climate action. At G20 ministerial meet in Chennai the same day, the COP28 President designate Sultan Ahmad Al Jaber also emphasized that the world's largest economies should be more ambitious with emission cuts. While Prime Minister Narendra Modi has promised to make India the third largest economy, if his party is re-elected in the general election, it will also mean greater pressure on India to take on a greater share of greenhouse gas mitigation responsibilities. This could mean advancing its net zero commitments from 2017 to 2015, as Mr. Guterres says, and generating fossil free electricity by 2040. While these are the tasty points on which climate negotiation hinge, the climate it bears reminding waits for nobody. So this was the today's editorial, guys, and it was about the climate change calls for renewed sense of urgency, not just urgency but renewed sense of urgency. Okay, and the July 2023 would be the hottest month of in last 12,000 years, okay, according to Copernicus Climate Change Services. So here Mr. Antonio Guterres, UN General Secretary, has made an alarming remarks to the world that the climate change, the adverse effect of climate change are increasing, and it is still possible to prevent the global mean temperature to 1.5 degrees Celsius. Okay, so this was in today's editorial, and even in G20 meet in Chennai as well, the president emphasized on that and also reiterated that if Mr. Narendra Modi government will be re-elected in the upcoming general election, then it would be greater pressure on them to take a responsibility for mitigating the emission cuts, okay, and reorient the target to the target of net zero by 2017 to 2050, okay, and generating clean energy or the green electricity by 2040. Okay, so this was in today's editorial, and the 5 new words that I would like to write down is: the first, fossil free electricity. Second is net zero commitments. Climate negotiations. Then pessimism, induce pessimism. Extraordinarily high. Okay, so this was for today, guys. I hope you would be understanding, and I would also recommend you to comment in the comment section the 5 new words that you would like to use in your daily conversation or in your writing daily answers, so that you can improve your writing skills as well. Okay, so please do comment in the comment section. It will help you out. It will make a kind of habit that you take 5 out of this. Okay, so till then, bye bye, signing off for the day.